This video will highlight all the key features you need to know about the Philips 4400 series fully automatic espresso machine. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link to this espresso machine in the description below for latest price. This fully automatic machine is designed for anyone who loves cafe-quality beverages at home. One of its standout features is the ability to brew 12 different hot and iced coffee varieties, including espresso, cappuccino, latte macchiato, iced americano, and more. This versatility ensures there's a drink for every mood or occasion. The Philips 4400 series uses silent brew technology, which reduces brewing noise by 40% compared to earlier models. This is especially great if you enjoy your morning coffee without waking up the whole household. Another key feature is the LatteGo milk system, which creates silky smooth froth effortlessly, even with plant-based milk alternatives. The system is also impressively easy to clean. Just pull apart the two pieces and rinse in under 10 seconds, saving you time while maintaining hygiene. The ceramic grinder ensures a consistent grind for maximum flavor extraction. It's durable and designed to maintain coffee aroma without overheating the beans. Additionally, the AquaClean filter purifies water, enhancing flavor and allowing up to 5,000 cups before requiring a descaling cycle. This feature makes maintenance simpler and reduces long-term costs. The espresso machine also comes with a large 1.8-liter water tank, which is ideal for multiple servings without frequent refills. Its compact yet elegant black chrome design adds a modern touch to any kitchen, blending style with practicality. On the flip side, at 17.63 pounds, it's heavier than some portable models, so placement may require consideration. The 1,500-watt power ensures fast heating, but it might slightly increase electricity consumption compared to smaller machines. Overall, the Philips 4400 series is perfect for coffee enthusiasts looking for convenience, variety, and consistent quality in one sleek package. Whether you're enjoying a quiet morning espresso or hosting friends with a latte macchiato, this machine delivers professional results with minimal effort. Its combination of performance, ease of cleaning, and stylish design makes it a standout choice in the fully automatic espresso machine category.